Hi everyone, and welcome to tonight's video. I am joined by my beautiful friend Courtney, and in this session I'll be performing a gentle yet results-driven dermaplane facial for her. Courtney has been on quite a journey with her skin over the past couple of years. She has experienced severe cystic acne, and for the last 18 months I have been supporting her with regular gentle treatments to help calm and restore her skin. Alongside this, Courtney completed a course of Accutane, which was prescribed to her for 4 months. She finished the Accutane about 6 months ago, so we feel ready now to advance to the next step with her facials. We've been working very carefully to rebuild her skin barrier and maintain her amazing results. So now that her skin is stable and clear, we're able to begin introducing more advanced treatments such as dermaplaning and in the future possible microneedling, but we will see how it goes. And our goal is to support Courtney in achieving and maintaining this smooth, healthy, resilient skin which she so desperately wants. So we hope you enjoy this treatment. I'm beginning with a gentle cleanse using the Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. I love this cleanser because it has a beautiful buttery texture that melts effortlessly into the skin. So it makes it perfect for a calming, sensory start to the treatment. And this cleanser is really going to help to dissolve any makeup, SPF or daily impurities from her skin. And it's also going to support her skin's barrier with nourishing lipids. It's going to provide gentle exfoliation through mild fruit acids, and it's going to leave her skin feeling soft, supple, hydrated and balanced. And I've added a little bit of water to my fingertips to emulsify the cleanser now. You will notice that my movements are a little bit quicker, and the water is just helping create a slightly more milky consistency to this lovely balm. this just gives me a little bit more control over where I am wiping and just making sure that I'm thoroughly removing those products. The warmth of the towels will feel really lovely against her skin, and it's going to promote amazing blood flow and gently open her pores as well. For Courtney's second cleanse, I'm using my Elemis Superfood Seeker Calm Cleansing Foam. And again, this is one of my firm favourites. The foam has such a silky, rich texture to it. It feels absolutely incredible being massaged into the skin. It's a very gentle cleanser again, but it really does do an amazing job of preparing the skin. And I like to use a more foam-like consistency for a second cleanse because it's really going to remove any remaining residue from the skin, and it will ensure the skin is completely clean and prepped for the next part of the facial, which is essential for performing a treatment like dermaplaning. Again, I will take my very warm towel mitts and gently remove this cleanser from her skin. So after the double cleanse and the warmth of the mitts, I'm going to take a moment to perform some very gentle extractions on Courtney's skin. So I've applied my gloves and I'm using a few fresh tissues to protect the skin. I did notice a small amount of congestion in some areas around Courtney's face, so I'm carefully removing what I can with very minimal pressure. And this is not a full extraction. I'm not using my facial steamer. I don't want to aggravate the skin too much before we go on to do the dermaplaning, but I just wanted to try and remove those small areas of congestion before we go on to the dermaplane. I'm now taking a sterile single-use surgical blade. This is a 10R butter blade, and I will secure it safely into my blade holder. So dermaplaning is a controlled exfoliation technique where the blade is gently glided across the surface of your skin. And this is going to help to remove dead skin cells, the peach fuzz, which is called vellus hair on your face, and the surface debris from the top layer of your skin. A lot of people think that their hair will grow back thicker and more coarse, and this is not the case at all. You have two different types of hair on your face and your body. You have this very fine, soft hair, which is the vellus hair on your face and your neck, and then you have terminal hair on your body. The vellus hair will not grow back thicker, darker, or more prominent, I promise you. The only reason why people feel it a little bit is because after about a week it does begin to grow through, and you have bluntly shaved the skin, so only for a day or two will you feel that slight stubbly feeling, but it's only from the way that the hair was shaved. So for Courtney, the benefits are particularly valuable at this stage of her journey because it's creating a smoother skin texture for her. It's also going to vastly improve the appearance of her superficial acne scarring, and it's going to very much enhance product absorption for her. She'll have a beautiful bright complexion, and it's going to encourage gentle cellular turnover. Just to reassure you, Courtney's skin is clear of active acne at the moment, which makes this treatment appropriate. However, I'm working very, very gently, particularly over the areas where there is some visible scarring. This is not about aggressive exfoliation, it's about gentle refinement over time. And, hopefully not, but if Courtney were to experience any future breakouts, we would pause advanced treatments and she would be referred back to her dermatologist if needed. To further refine Courtney's skin, I am going to apply the Papaya Enzyme Peel. This is an extremely gentle enzyme-based exfoliant, where the enzymes work by breaking down the protein bonds between dead skin cells, allowing them to be removed without abrasion. And the benefits of this gentle exfoliator include smoothing of the skin's surface. It's going to enhance her radiance. It will soften her skin texture. And again, it will support a healthy skin turnover cycle. And as I massage it into the skin, it begins to form small ball-like particles, and this is just the enzyme reacting with the dead skin cells. This will all be gently wiped away with the fresh steamed mitts. So now that the cleansing and exfoliation side of this facial is complete, we're going to move into the restorative side of the facial. So I'm applying a cooling hyaluronic acid and collagen sheet mask for Courtney. This has been moment, I'm going to gently glide them over Courtney's skin. And these beautiful rollers will help to encourage the lymphatic movement. It will reduce any puffiness. It will help to improve her circulation. It will help to improve her circulation in this area. And it will aid in product. And it will really help the product sink further into her skin. Benefits of the hyaluronic acid and the collagen for Courtney's skin are amazing. It's going to attract and retain moisture within her skin. It will improve her hydration levels now, especially because she's had that dermaplane to take the surface layer of dead skin away. And the hyaluronic acid will also help to support the skin's barrier. Infusion will improve her skin's elasticity. It will smooth and plump her skin, and over time it will enhance overall skin texture. These two serums combined make the perfect approach to fresh, hydrated looking skin. And this step is all about replenishing calming the skin after the exfoliation. So I'm wanting this mask to stay on a little while longer. So as it's doing an amazing job hydrating her skin, I'm going to take my jade comb and gently run it over her scalp and through her hair. We're keeping with the theme of coolness and relaxation for this part of the facial. I'm now removing the mask and gently squeezing the remaining serum into my hands. I will use this serum to perform a gentle lymphatic drainage massage for Courtney now. Just creating a slow, soft lymphatic massage will just help to reduce any fluid retention Courtney may have in her face. It will detoxify her skin, and it will also give her a more sculpted, tighter appearance. with it being a nighttime facial, it's just going to feel really relaxing, and it's going to allow her to begin to feel nice and sleepy. So with the years of cystic acne and medication, I knew Courtney's skin would be a little bit reactive. So I'm now going to use my Redness Relief Essence by Dermalogica. This is such a beautiful essence because it has some amazing ingredients within it. The lavender is an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. Not to mention it's the main smell of this product, and just the aroma is beautiful to inhale. The oat extracts will help to reduce sensitivity to her skin, and the peptides and botanical oils will help to protect and strengthen her skin's barrier. As a nice refreshing mist, I am going to spray my Elemis Superfood Kefir Tea Mist. And I love this product because the smell is so deep and earthy. And I'm wanting to use an eye cream for Courtney tonight, so I have went with my Pep Start Eye Cream by Clinique. And most of Clinique's products are non-scented, which I quite enjoy for eye creams. They're so close to the eye, I want them as delicate as possible. And I'm only gently placing this on her under eye area and around her orbital bone. And even just applying this lovely eye cream and doing this simple move will have her waking up with brighter, less puffy under eyes. using a nourishing facial moisturiser to finish. If it were in the daytime, I would be finishing her facial with an SPF 50 face moisturiser, but I will still be ensuring that I make Courtney aware that this is something she should be wearing every day in her facial debrief. Because of all of the cleansing and gentle lymphatic massage, I will also advise Courtney to drink lots of water tonight, but I will also apply a hydrating lip balm for her as well. And this will just ensure that her lips remain hydrated, nourished and plump. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. I hope you have enjoyed this more informative facial. If you did, then please consider liking the video and subscribe if you're not already. But until next time, take care and I'll see you again soon. Good night.
Amazing.
Skin looks amazing.
I haven't felt that relaxed in a long time.
Oh, just look absolutely amazing from
It feels so clean.